Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're back to the crock pot and we're gonna make pulled pork. So, it's that, I'm hungry for pulled pork. Uh, can't do it in the smoker, so we're gonna do it in a crock pot, but it's gonna be just as good. So, hang out and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, this is gonna be like one of the easiest pulled pork recipes you ever done. Now myself, I love the summertime when you can throw a nice big pork roast in the smoker, get it all cooked up and tasting nice and lovely and awesome and everything. It's middle of winter. I'm not gonna tend the smoker outside, in frigid temperatures. So I'm hungry for the pulled pork, so we're gonna do it in the house. And yes, we're gonna use the crock pot. So, alright, I'll start out here. Got us a nice big 5-pound pork roast. And this is bone in. So, get it down in there. And I got some chopped up onion that was kind of left over from another recipe I was working on, but get that all down in there. And then, of course, minced garlic. We're going to do a pretty healthy, put some down along the sides, along the top there. And then I use my rub that I like a lot. And it's kind of clumpy, but it'll be alright. Just get some up on the top. Now you can, if you want, you can rub it down before you put it in, but I found it works just as good if you just get it down in the bowl or down in the cooker. Let them juices get all flavored up, and your meat will be good and flavored. So, but hey, if you want to rub your meat, rub your meat. I'm nobody to judge or anything. So, all right, now we'll put the lid on it. And we'll cook it for. I'm gonna be gone probably 10 hours today, so it's gonna cook 10 hours on low. And when we get home, this will be cooked down nicely. We'll pull the bone out, kind of pull out any of the fat that's left over, if there's any left over, if it don't all render down, and we'll move on to the next step for the pulled pork. Have a great day. Alright y'all, this stuff has been cooking all day long, and actually a little bit longer after I got home. I did go ahead and pull the bone out of it when I first got home and checked it, but yeah, ooh, she's falling apart. But that's what you want when you're doing pulled pork. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Wish y'all could smell it. That rub it's in there. Now I'm only going to barbecue maybe half of it. The rest of it I'm just going to leave plain. That way if I want to change the barbecue sauce or do whatever. That was a big chunk of fat. We don't need a big chunk of fat. So, alright. Let me find a slotted spoon to get the onions and all that out of there, and then we'll commence to pulling this pork. Alright y'all, I went ahead and used a wire strainer, dumped all that juice through it, and that way I can get all my garlic and all my seasoning and everything. So now we're just gonna dig in here with a fork and my tongs and just start breaking this stuff up nice and small. And we've still got lots of liquid left down in the bottom of there. So I just keep turning it over and working it, and You know, get all the pieces up, get them all broke up, get it all mixed together. Like, you know, that's a pretty healthy piece of fat, I think. So we're gonna grab a little bowl here. We'll pick through that a little bit later, and just make sure we get all the goodness out of there. Get all these pieces broke up. Y'all, I'm having a hard time controlling myself, not just to take a big old bite of this stuff. Alright, I think we got it pretty well broke up. Yeah, I think we do. Now, if you want, sometimes what I do is I'll take this meat and I'll lay it out on like a cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil. I'll throw it under the broiler just to kind of give it that char, kind of grilled, smoky deal. I'm not going to do that tonight, just because I'm hungry and I don't want to take the time. I mean, yeah, like 15 minutes, but I'm hungry now. So, alright. Let me get another separate bowl. We're going to split this up, and we're going to barbecue some and leave some plain. So, hang on. Alright, y'all. Got me a little storage container there. And we're going to just pull some of this pork out. About half of it. And this is the one I'm going to leave for plain, because I don't like putting barbecue sauces and stuff in my plasticware. Sometimes it stains it and everything. So, alright. How's that look? Does that look about even? Yeah, that looks about even. Yeah. Alright. So, put that over there, put that there. I'm going to slide that back out the way. We got our sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. And just dump some in. Now you can put this back in the crock pot if you want. I'm not going to, because I don't have to. And you can do that little trick with the broiler after you barbecue it, and that way the sugars in your barbecue sauce will kind of caramelize, and it makes it even better. But it's just, you know, one more step, and the amount of barbecue sauce you use is completely up to you. If you like it good and sloppy, and you know, I like just the barbecue sauce. I like just the flavor of the barbecue sauce. I don't want to like completely hide the taste of my meat. So, alright. So, alright. I think that has it. Yeah. Nah, we'll add a little bit more barbecue sauce. Why not? Alright. I'm just kind of looking at it there, and yeah, that's looking better. Alright. Now that's looking a lot better. We got her good and saucy. That's a spicy meatball. So, alright. There you have it. So, I'm not eating it on a bun or anything. You can go ahead and put yours on a bun or a sandwich, or, you know, whatever you want. But bread's not in my diet, so, you know, we're just going to have a little bowl full. So, alright, taste test time. Alright, y'all. Kind of get into the spirit of the, you know, pulled pork, you know, summertime fun. I broke out the really good china, you know, the plastic paper. That's actually a paper plate, so paper bowl. But I got some of the barbecued pulled pork. Y'all, I like that sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Has a little bit of sweet to it, but that little kick of the spice. So there you have it. Super simple, you know, pulled pork for in the middle of the winter. Like I said, you can put it in the, I don't know, like a cookie sheet on some aluminum foil, put it on the broiler. That barbecue sauce will kind of caramelize, and it will, you know, just get that crisp flavor, you know, like from the smoker or from the grill. And sometimes you can't even tell the difference. So, gotta try that. So, anyways, appreciate y'all, love y'all. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, leave the comment. Make sure you ring the bell when you hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and you know, you'll get notification for all the videos and stuff we do. I'm getting tongue tied. This stuff's like smelling so good I can't concentrate. So, anyways, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.